How to transfer money from Binance to bank account. First, open the Binance app and select P2P on your home screen. From there, select Sell. You need to choose which currency you want to receive by selecting one from the available drop-down list. Next, choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell from the drop-down menu. If your cryptocurrency isn't listed, it means it's not supported by P2P. In that case, you need to sell or convert the coin. To convert your coins, go back to the home screen and select Convert. If you don't see this option, you may need to click the More button. When converting, select the coin you want to convert and choose one of the currencies supported by P2P in Binance. After selecting the amount you want to convert, proceed with the conversion. Once that's done, go back to the home screen, select P2P again, and select Sell. Choose the currency you want to receive and the cryptocurrency you just converted to. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, proceed, and enter your bank details when prompted. Confirm the transaction and wait for the funds to arrive in your bank account. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.